Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make a popular Discord server. Here are 3 basic methods to make your Discord server popular. First method, choose a niche and create value. Pick a specific theme or purpose. Decide on a focus for your server. For example, gaming, anime, tech, or a community for a specific topic. Ensure your server offers unique value or experience that make it stand out. Organize channels clearly. Create channels for specific discussions, such as general chat, topic-specific channels, or help and support. Use categories to keep things organized. Provide useful or entertaining content. Share guides, memes, updates, or exclusive content that resonates with your target audience. Consider hosting events like Q&A sessions, contests, or giveaways. Next method, engage your community. Be active and welcoming. Greet new members and encourage them to participate in conversations. Foster a positive and friendly atmosphere. Encourage interaction. Create polls, discussion topics, or events to keep members engaged. Use bots like MEE6 or Dino to add fun features like leveling systems or games. Reward active members. Set up rules and permissions to recognize active or loyal members, like giving them exclusive access to special channels. Last method, promote your server effectively. Use server listing websites. Submit your server to platforms like Discord or Discord.me to attract new members. Leverage social media. Share your server link on platforms like Twitter, Reddit, or Instagram, and post in relevant groups or forums. Collaborate with other servers. Partner with similar servers for cross-promotion or joint events. Avoid spamming your link and focus on meaningful collaborations. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.